Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening SQL Server Management Studio and making a live connection to your instance. Enter the server name exactly, pick Windows or SQL Server Authentication, and supply credentials. Once connected, you'll see Object Explorer populate on the left. Make sure the SQL Server service is running before you connect, otherwise the Connect button will fail. Now that you're connected, keep Object Explorer visible, because the next steps rely on expanding and navigating that tree. Once Object Explorer shows databases, expand the Databases node and locate the target database. If there are many, use the filter or search box to narrow results. Filters save time. You can inspect tables, views, and security by expanding the database node. To work with data, right-click the database and choose New Query, or double-click to open properties. In the query window, run use your database so subsequent commands run against it. This ensures you're executing queries in the correct context. Complete the workflow by refreshing Object Explorer so any recent restores or attachments appear. If you want queries to default to this database, set it as your connection's default in the connection properties. Confirm the database is online and that your login has the necessary permissions. If you hit issues, a common fix is to verify the SQL Server service status, allow the port in the firewall, and confirm you used the right authentication and instance name. If problems persist, check the error log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.